Welcome learners for lecture 8 of mathematical method, MSc second year of a semester third. Today we discuss about the new topic, that is a Fourier transform. This Fourier transform, what is the definition of Fourier transform, we'll learn. Same as a how to will be defining in a two part, that is a linearity properties, and there another part will be contained as a similarity property. All of this will be generated as a form. Okay, we start up as a Fourier transform. What is the definition of Fourier transform? How their formula will be generated? Then when started at the definition, the function f of xi, this is called as a xi, that will be the symbol of the mathematics xi. Xi is called as a Fourier transform of f of t. Fourier transform of f of t, and it is defined as the formula, that is function of f of t equals to 1 upon square root of 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t e to the power I xi t dt. Okay, this will be contained as a symbol, new symbol. This is called as a xi. This will be the formula, and this formula will be represented in a short form, that is a function of f of t, I and xi. This will be the short form will be given. Okay, what is the definition of the Fourier transform? The function f of xi is called as a Fourier transform of the f of t, and it is defined as the function of f of t equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t e to the power I xi t dt. Okay, this will be the short form. What is the short form of this formula? Function of f of t I xi. This formula will be contained as a only one variable. If we use it as a more than one variable, then this formula will be changes as a form, and it will be represented or the written of the formula, that is when the function is a dependent more than a variable, then the above transformation, that is the Fourier transform, will be written as a function of f of t x. This will be uses as a only t variable, but that will be generated as a tx variable. T tends to xi, then this formula will be written as a form, that is a Fourier transfer formula, 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t e to the power I xi t dt. Okay, how will be written at the formula? By changing of the content t and x will be changes as a xi, then equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t e to the power I xi t will be generated as a x dt will be formed. Okay, this will be the formula when more than a more than variable will be used. What is the formula of the inverse Fourier transform? Okay, this will be the formula, that is the inverse Fourier transform. Inverse of Fourier transform means a function of a minus 1 f of t xi equals to function of a Fourier transform, that will be generated as a f of minus 1 f of t will be generated. What is the formula of f of t? Will be containing 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t e to the power I xi t d xi. In this form, that is a d xi will be containing of this form, means a xi is a form, that is a dt will be represented as a d xi. And when using as a more than one variable, that is uses as a 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable, more than variable than a 1. Function of a minus 1 f of t x xi equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t x will be formed, that is a e to the power I xi t d xi. Okay, this will be the form. If function will be changes as a this xi t to the power x, then formula will be changes in the x form, that will be the 1 upon square root of a 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t x e to the power I xi x dx. Okay, this will be generated as a form. This is the formula of a inverse form. Then properties of a transform, they will be contained as a properties. How to will be defining these properties, and these properties will be only contained as a two type, that is a first is a linearity property and second is a similarity property. Then what is meant by linearity property? If we add a two function, then the Fourier transform of a resulting function is simply the sum of individual of a Fourier transform. In this linearity property, definition will be generated as a form, that is when we uses as a more than a function, more than a one function, then only resulting as a addition of this function, and they will be separated of the form. This is called as a linearity property, and shortly we be given as a form, that is a Fourier transform of a linear combination of the given number of a function is a linear combination of that form. For example, function of a lambda f plus mu g equals to lambda and mu is a constant of this form, then function will be multiply both of this product, then generated as a lambda will be common, function of a f of t plus mu will be common, f of gt, okay, where lambda and mu are a constant, they will be written in this form. We know that Fourier transform will be given as this form. A function of f of t is defined as a 1 upon square root of 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t to the power I z t dt. Okay, this is a formula we noted as a equation 1. Then function will be noted f of t generated in this linearity property lambda f of t plus mu gt. Then put up this value in this function of a lambda f of t plus mu gt equals to 1 upon square root of 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity, put up f of t value lambda f of t plus mu gt e to the power I z t dt. Okay, this will be put up as a f of t value. Then this formula will be noted as a separating in the two form f of t lambda and mu of gt. Then 1 upon square root of 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity lambda f of t to the power I z t dt, plus another form is a 1 upon square root of 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity mu of a gt e to the power I z t dt. Okay, this will be the t, not a x generated. You know that lambda and mu are a constant, then both of these condition of the addition of this form will be common in the first content, that is a lambda upon square root of 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of t to the power I z t dt, plus mu will be generated as a form, this is a common for integrating sign, upon square root of 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity g of t e to the power I z t dt. Okay, this will be separated. You know that separating of the form will be common, and this all this formula is denoted as a function of f of t plus mu will be common, all this formula will be denoted as a function of a g of t by using as a formula of this equation. This will be denoted as a form and discussing of this concept. Okay, this will be the formula of a linearity property. Today or lecture 8 we discuss about the form, that is a first will be Fourier transform, what is meant by Fourier transform, how it will be defining, as well as the what is the formula of a Fourier transform, and all of this form new important symbol will be given in this form, that is a mu, that is called as a xi means a xi, this will be form. Next is contain as a two variable, how to using as a form, and they will be putting in this formula. After that, what is the inverse Fourier transform, another as a two properties will be given in this formula, that is the first linearity property. Next lecture we discuss, means a lecture 9 will be discussing about the similarity property. First property will be given as a linearity property. They both of this combination of the more than two variable will be used and added this formula. Then this is the Fourier transform as well as a linearity properties will be given in this form of the Fourier transform.